Alright, so we just got our purple mattress replacement. So what you're looking at is the Purple Mattress Plus. Right now it's only available in Canada. So initially we got the Purple Hybrid 2 or Purple Hybrid in Canada, but it is too firm for us. So we replaced it with the Purple Plus mattress, and this is perfect. The firmness of it is just perfect. So the difference is this is all foam, so there are no coils within the bed, and they are premium foams, and it's the latest technology from Purple. This Purple Plus mattress as of today is not yet available in the States, so just in Canada through purple.com/ca, or you can also go to Sleep Country. So we initially got the Purple Hybrid one, but it's just too firm. After trying it for 3 weeks or something, my back still hurts. So they say wait a few months to adjust, but I don't want to wait a few months. I don't think it will get any softer. So we replaced it with this Purple Plus mattress. And what do you know? When we switch it, we got a free purple pillow. I'm going to open that for you and show you how it looks like as well. And this is the original purple bed we got. So we got this from the US when it's still available for them to ship it to Canada. But now the original purple mattress here is no longer available to be shipped to Canada. So you have to buy it from Sleep Country, exclusive distributor, and they don't have this original one that is way cheaper any longer. So the cheapest one is the Purple Hybrid or Purple Hybrid 2 in the US, but it's just way too firm. And we are Asian, we weigh around 130 pounds, 140 pounds. And they say if you don't weigh too much, it's going to be fine, but it's still too firm for us. So this is perfect. And this Plus mattress is perfect. And it's really smooth. If you touch the cover, it's super smooth. It's really smooth. It's different than the Purple Hybrid one we got. And it's also different from this Purple original mattress. It's not so smooth. This is super silky and smooth. So the difference is just $100 more Canadian than the Purple Hybrid one, but it's really worth the switch. And thanks for switching it pain-free, Sleep Country. They even sent me a free pillow, and I asked them, can I get 2 pillows? I bought 2 mattresses, but they say, well, you only get a free pillow for 1 transaction. So if you're thinking about buying 2 mattresses and you want to get 2 free purple pillows, maybe you can separate your transaction. Buy 1 first, get a free pillow, and then do another order and get another free pillow. Because the pillow costs quite a lot. If you buy it separately, it's a couple $100 or something. So it's worth to do the extra few minutes to separate the order so that you can get 2 free pillows. That's what I thought, but I didn't go that way because we already purchased the hybrid one when there was no promotion, but now there is a promotion. You get a free pillow. So now I'm gonna try the bed and see how it looks like. It really is soft but not too squishy. It's just perfect. It sits on your shoulder, on your back. It just sits perfectly, like almost you're floating. So they say you need to get the Purple Hybrid, Purple Premier 3 to have the, the perfect floating sensation. But this is already doing it for my perspective. You don't have to spend double the price to get Purple Premier 3, to get that kind of luxury sensation. But this is well worth the price. So let's give it a try now. Alright, so let's give it a try. So as you can see, it's really soft and bouncy, and as you sleep here like this, if I try on the pillow as well, so I don't feel pressure on my back, on my shoulder here, because I'm a back sleeper, right? And they say the Purple Hybrid is good for a back sleeper, but still I feel the pressure for the Purple Hybrid on my shoulders here. And if you do a side sleep like this, I still feel a pressure on my, my arm like this. But for this Purple Plus, I don't feel the pressure. It's so comfy. So it's worth the $100 more, but yeah, it's really good. So this is the Purple pillow. I'm going to show you afterwards what's the inside of the Purple pillow. So you can sit on this as well, and you can also use the Purple pillow for seat cushion if you want, because that can be a multi-purpose function as well, I would say. And for this one, this is also about the same firmness. This is the original, right? But they don't sell this in Canada. They stopped selling it. So the main difference is the foam. This one is more premium, new tech foam, as Purple said. And this is the original, and the height, this is 11 inch, this is 9.5 inch. So this is the exact same height as the Purple Hybrid 2, the same exact height. So let's open the pillow here. So this is what you will have right now as of today, April 16th. You will get a free pillow from Purple. You can see here the grid. You can see the grid here. And this feels smooth. And when you receive it, it comes with a booster. Okay, so if I open this zipper here, and you can take out the booster, depends on your preference of the height of your pillow. So they give you a free booster, a couple of them. And this is the booster here. So it's one booster and second booster. This is the actual pillow, so you can close that. Now you have a not so thick, a thinner pillow, so you can adjust how you want, how much height you want on the pillow. Now it's way more thinner, so I'm going to try it as well so you can see. So you can see the smoothness of this surface is so silky. So if I push this, it's going to go, see? That's so silky. Now let's try it. So this is more comfy for me as well. And I would like to sleep with my shoulder touching on the pillow as well. So like in an extra support, but no pressure on my shoulder as well. So that would be a good extra present from the Purple mattress. Okay, I think that's it. That's for the review for the Purple PLUS mattress, which is I think still only sold in Canada right now. They don't sell this yet in the US. So if you're in the United States, wait until this is made available. But it's well worth the price compared to the Purple Hybrid 2 we've got before. So we tried that for a month and then we switch it for free. They come and get our original Purple Hybrid mattresses and deploy the new ones, and it's all for free, and get a free pillow. Okay, that's all. Thanks, and leave your comment down below if you have any questions, and like the video so other people can know the difference between Purple Hybrid and Purple PLUS mattress. Thanks.